back. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin speaking to reporters right now about China. Let's listen in.
I think we were very clear yesterday in that there's no side agreements, that when we do phase 2, as part of phase 2, and as I've said, it could be 2A, 2B, 2C, there will be tariff reductions as part of that. That's an incentive for them to do additional phases. And whether that's before the election or after the election, we're indifferent. When we get enforceable issues, there'll be tariff reductions as part of that.
Sir, if there is no phase 2, if this is all we get, is this a win for the Americans?
Absolutely.
Failure to have a second part 2?
No, this is an enormous win. This is the first time we've ever had an agreement. This is an encompassing agreement. Goes through, as I said, technology issues, agricultural structural issues, financial services, currencies, purchases. They'll purchase over $200 billion of additional things, dropping the trade deficit, which will lead to growth. So this is an enormous win, and we also couldn't be more excited about USMCA passing the Senate this week. So these are big economic issues for 2020.
Secretary, given the fact that those tariffs are still in place, how will the average American feel the impact of phase 1?
I don't think that the tariffs will have any significant impact on any one individual. We've managed these tariffs so that mostly all of the consumer goods are not impacted. And I think, quite frankly, the average consumer will see a stronger economy in 2020 as a result of this deal and USMCA. So we expect significant growth.
On another topic, can you tell us why the U.S. has decided to back Brazil's bid to the OECD over Argentina in a bit of a reversal?
That's a little bit of like inside baseball. I'm not going to get to the specifics of that. We're having discussions, obviously, with a lot of countries on the OECD.
So will companies, American companies, be 100% owned inside China in this agreement? And then the intellectual property protections, how strong are they?
So on the first part, yes, there are opportunities for many, many companies to be 100% owned. This is, as I said, a great outcome for U.S. companies and U.S. workers. And there are significant technology issues in this. There are some remaining technology issues and cybersecurity issues that will be dealt with in phase 2.
Mr. Secretary, on Apple, real quick. Has there been any discussion within the administration to make a personal plea, whether it be from yourself, from Attorney General Barr, the President directly, to Tim Cook to unlock the shooter's phone from Pensacola?
Again, I don't know. I have not had any conversations with Apple on this. I don't know what conversations the Attorney General has had or the President has had. Again, I know Apple has cooperated in the past on law enforcement issues, and I expect they would continue to cooperate, but I don't know the specifics of that. Thank you, everybody.